Hello class, my name is Mrs. Kears. Say Mrs. Kears.
Mrs. Peters.
All right. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to learn about how to take data. Are y'all wondering why these cards in my hand?
Yes.
I know. We're not playing cards. We're learning about taking data, right? So what we're going to talk about, guys, is we're going to talk about mean, median, mode, and mid-range. And if we have time, we'll do all of it today. If not, we'll pick up again our next lesson, okay? All right. And so what I want to go over first is the mean. And the mean is the sum of values in a data set divided by the number of values, right? And so you guys had this before, so tell me what you get when you hear the word mean.
Mean is like when you add all the numbers up and then divide it by the number of numbers.
Right? Do they have to be in order?
Yes.
Yes, right? And so median, right, is a set of data with the value in the middle if all values are arranged in order. Tell me a little bit about median.
It's when you have all your numbers in order from least to greatest and you look to see which one is in the middle.
Right? So we talked about a little bit earlier if we have odd and if we have even. So if we have odd, that's easier, right? Because then we can break it down to that one. But if we have even, what should we do?
If it's like 46 or 47,
Right?
then you would look in between, you know that would be 46.5.
Right. Very smart. 46.5. Okay, so then the mode is the value that occurs most often in the data. And give me an example of mode.
Mode is when you add. Mode is when you put your numbers from least to greatest
Mm-hmm.
and you see the number that occurs the most.
Great, great, great. Good. So the example I gave earlier is the ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the ones would be the mode. And now mid-range is, it equals the lowest value of data plus the highest divided by 2. So we have a long line of numbers, right? We're going to take the beginning number and the last number and put it in together and add it, and then we're going to divide it by 2. So we're going to go over a few examples. And so I'm going to put my cards up here. Okay? Put my cards up here. All right. So how many cards I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Right. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my cards in order. And so I think my 3 is gonna be first, my 4, then my 5, then my 5, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay? So those are my numbers. Okay? And so now when I want to find the mean, what I'm doing is I put them in order and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now I'm going to divide it, right? And so when we add 3, I'm going to get somebody to add 3 plus 4, somebody. 3 plus 4
7.
plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. What does that give us?
51. Or 41.
It's 41?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is 41 divided by 7? That's going to be our answer.
It's going to be a decimal.
Okay, it's fine.
5.8
5.85. So that's our answer. That's our mean. Okay? And so I'm going to get someone to come up and do our, let's do the median. I need a volunteer to do the median for me. Come up, do the median for me. Right quick. Tell me what the median is first.
Median is
Mm-hmm.
when you put them from least to greatest and then find the one in the middle.
Okay, so which one is in the middle?
5.
How you know that?
Because you take these 2 away,
Mm-hmm.
and these, and you look at 5.
Good job. Okay, you can go back to your seat. So, class, we learned about the mean, median, mode, and mid-range, right? And so tomorrow, or when we come back together, we will do the rest of the lesson, okay? All right, thank you guys.